guys, it's Mel here from LW Scrapping. Welcome back to my channel. I am here to have a go at a layout that I'm going to scrap lift one of our fellow YouTubers. Jessie from Jessie B Scrapping we're doing a hop for her because she has now been doing her YouTube channel for 2 years. And we're just going to do a little hop for her. So I'm going to scrap lift her. So she did, I don't know if it will come through clearly or not. She did this layout. It's called Sketches with 4x6 photos only winter. And she actually did strips of different coloured or different patterned paper, but I'm going to cheat. Sorry, Jessie, I'm cheating. Still got stripes, but I'm cheating. I'm going to try and get some of the, well, all of the photos that I've got of when my daughter was doing taekwondo and she was going for her next, they call it a yellow 2, so they get the second stripe on their belt. And it was 2020, so it was during COVID, and they couldn't go to the place they normally do it, where all the different areas get together and do all their grading together. So where they go and do their classes every week, their taskmaster, I called him a taskmaster because he was very, very big taskmaster. I mean, he was a short bloke, but he was very precise and he knew what he wanted. And he liked to have everybody talk correctly. And he was really, really good with the kids. Absolutely brilliant. Probably helped that he was a school teacher. But, on the other hand, you know, got letters going everywhere here. Also lost a letter. Anyway, I'll find that in a second. Anyway, so I've got all of the photos on this one page. So, which is good. So what I'm going to do is I've backed that one. It's a logo. I'm using this paper. I've actually got some taekwondo or martial arts paper pack by Photo Play. It's a really thick card. That's actually the cover that was on it, but I got it for the stripes because it was going in the right direction. So I'm going to grab those. We'll stick that down first. Go that over there. I don't know where my... Oh, there it went. I'm going to pop the tablet down. I'm running out of coloured letters extremely badly. So I've got to be careful. Right. So let's get this popped down. So Jessie does a lot of, I think her pages are 8.5 by 11s. So she condenses everything down a bit. So I'm doing a 12 by 12 from her 8.5 by 11. So instead of having a portrait and a few landscape photos, I've cut, most of mine were portraits. So I've cut them down so that they'll all fit on the one page. So, which will be good. I'm always one for, let's get more than one photo on a page. Only because I take so many. Right. Let's go like that roughly. Now I'm going to pop some glitter black down the bottom. So let's go about that. Actually, I should put that one on first. I'm going to go where's some scissors? One. I've got some paper washi, but I thought, hey, let's get some of this used up. When it's being rolled up, it's an absolute pain to deal with. Right. I'll put some on the bottom. Right. I'm doing this in advance, so go up, I think, to there. How's it coming up past the photos a bit on that side? I did watch that video actually. Right. Now, let's get this straight. Let's get roughly there. Right, let's turn this over. Cut these bits off. Now, this is paper on the back of this, so this one should be easy to get off. I'm going to go down the bottom. Like so. Remember how I had them. There's that. That one. That one, that one. Camera a bit. Down a bit. Out there. So I took a photo of her with a certificate and everything when we got home so that she could show Dad that she passed, and all the older kids there that were higher up in rank, they all helped out with the grading. Ben, the sensei in charge, he got the other two black belts to, I think it was, yeah, two other black belts to watch the kids as they did stuff. He did as well. And then the other higher belt kids that were blue and red, red and black, because there's one that's red and black combined. They helped out with doing all the tasks, like helping them out with all the tasks and holding the punching bags and, you know, sparring with them, and being the person for the self-defense part, because they have to pass self-defense, all the different holds and kicks, and there we go. So it was really good, and because the kids sort of all knew each other, like been doing it for quite some time, and they were used to one another. Now I've popped things over some of the children's faces because this one here was a really young girl, and these ones I don't know their parents, so to ask permission. So where did my little round thing there? I've just got one of the things, little ephemera things in there that says respect, because you had to respect each other as well as help each other practice, and it was actually really good. I thought it was good for them. I'm going to go there like that, and I'm going to go, I want to go like that, yellow too. Now I've gone multicoloured so that it stands out on this striped paper. It's up a bit too high. With these letters, yellow 2. I want. And all I'm going to do now is Jessie simply embellishes. She doesn't overdo it. She had something down here. I haven't really got anything to put down there. I could put, where are the ephemera thingies gone? Did I have them out? Yes, I did. Kept them out. I could put some little, I only used that a couple of times. I could just put just a red belt there, even though she got yellow. She only went up to yellow 3, and then of course high school started and we just didn't get time for, she had too much stuff to do. The sensei actually used to be one of those children that was very highly what's the word? He actually wasn't diagnosed until later on in life with ADHD, and he was very hyperactive is what I'm trying to get out. And it wasn't until his parents put him into Taekwondo, it actually helped his ADHD and helped him to the point where he was able to become a teacher, because he reckoned that if he hadn't have done that, he would have possibly been elsewhere. So, yeah, he thanked his parents a lot for making him do Taekwondo. I might just go up here. A few black gemmy things. Not that that one stands out on the black. It's going to be too dark on there, I reckon. We'll go over here. With some, there we go. And that's my layout that I've done into a 12 by 12, similar to Jessie's, except I've cheated at the top. I'm so sorry, Jessie, but I cheated. But I quite liked this layout because I could get so many more photos on there, and I could do the whole thing in one, like, and I didn't want to cut these people here out because they mean something to Danina and the layout. So there you go. Yellow 2. I don't think that's in focus very well. Don't know what's doing that anyway. So thank you very much for that. Thank you, Jessie. And I watch you every week anyway. Excuse me. Both her and I started at very similar times. I think Jessie may have started a little bit before me by a couple of weeks, and we've sort of, you know, helped each other out and always watched each other's videos, that sort of thing. I think there was Jessie, myself, and another person who all started around exactly the same time. We kind of help each other out and support each other. So there will be lots of people joining into this hop, and I'll have them listed all down below in the description box. If you like what I've done, please give me a thumbs up. That would be fantastic. If you want to, take a screenshot and have a go and see how you can make it. I mean, you could turn it simple and just go landscape, landscape, and have your other one out here, or a portrait one there. No problems at all. So yeah, so if you're new to my channel, please consider subscribing. I hope I've done enough to show you that that is something slightly different to what Jessie has done, and that you can turn it and you can cheat if you need to, or if you want to get your scraps and put scrap pieces along here and then hide the bottom under your photos, by all means. It's just that I was being naughty and being cheating. Well, it's the colours that I wanted, and they were going the right way, so that's my excuse. So yeah, if you're new to my channel, please consider subscribing. It doesn't cost to subscribe, like, or comment. Same when you check out everyone else down below. It doesn't cost to subscribe, like, or comment to them either. And there'll be a lot of different people doing a lot of different things, and everyone is very inspirational. So thank you everyone for watching. Thank you to all my new subscribers, and I will see you in the next one. Bye for now.